How to make stickers for TikTok subscribers. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go over to any reel and tap on the share icon on the right side of the screen. You can view all the sharing options as well as other options below. Swipe left and tap on Create Sticker. Then, tap on Next at the bottom right corner. You can choose whether you want to make the sticker public over here. Enable Make Public. Now, you can add keywords if you want. Go to the text bar and type in related keywords such as subscribers and subscribe. Then, tap on Add beside it. After that, tap on Create Sticker at the bottom. You have now successfully created a sticker using this video. You can find it in your profile and messaging favorites. Then tap on Done at the bottom. You can also tap on Send to Favorites to share the sticker with your friends. Then select the friends from here. Now, go to the chat box of any of your friends on TikTok. Go to the text bar and tap on the stickers icon. You will now find your sticker under the favorite section here. Following these steps, you can easily make stickers for TikTok subscribers.